Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this simple egusi soup. Egusi soup is something that has different methods of making. You can fry it, you can cook, and some people prefer it when they have lumps in it. So today I'm going to be using the frying method too. And yeah, the economy is so bad. This Ugu is sold for 200 naira per one. I wonder where we are heading to. But anyways, let me continue with my cooking because we are cooking on a budget today. And one thing I love about this frying method is it doesn't take time. Is something you can cook within an hour and your egusi soup is ready. Have you guys ever thought of the health benefits of egusi/melon seed? So today, as I am cooking, I'm going to be chit-chatting on that. We all eat melon seed without knowing what it does to the body. Melon seeds offers numerous health benefits due to its rich nutrient profile. Number one is that it's a good source of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, contributing to improved heart health, better digestion, and potentially reduced inflammation. Number two, melon seeds/egusi are packed with protein, healthy fats, which are essential for muscle growth, repairs, and overall body function. So, if you are looking to build up your body muscles, egusi soup is for you. Number three, good source of vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, B1, B2, and vitamin C. Minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, and zinc. If you've not been eating egusi soup, please try and incorporate it into your diet. So let's not forget that I'm still showing you guys how I make my egusi soup with the frying method. At this point, I think I've gotten the consistency that I need and my egusi is done. Next, I'm going to be adding the ingredients, the meat, the stockfish, my seasoning cubes and salt, and give it a stir. Number 4 on the health benefits of egusi/melon seed is it aids in digestion. Number 5, antioxidant properties. Egusi/melon seeds helps protect the body against damage from free radicals and reduce inflammation, potentially helping with conditions like arthritis. Next, egusi soup has a low glycemic index, which means it can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for people with diabetes. Ooh, so many health benefits. At this point, my egusi soup is ready. You can go in with your ugu leaf, your bitter leaf, your spinach, or whatever leaf you have within your reach. With all these that I listed here on the health benefits of melon/egusi soup, incorporating melon seed into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to promote a healthy and radiant skin. So do not miss out on egusi soup. And yeah, my soup is ready. You can eat it with your fufu, your gari, your semo, your oats, or whatever swallow you wish to enjoy it with. And yeah, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next one. Bye.